Hello everyone, this is Kallada from Kallada Academy. So today I want you to introduce you a tool called Hypertype. So it's basically a tool that helps you to reply to your emails using AI. So this tool is available at the website hypertype.co. So you can just go there and sign up for a free trial, and you do not need a credit card to sign up for their free trial. Only limitation in their free trial is that in the free trial you're only allowed 45 email replies per month. But I guess for personal use that is more than enough. And if you want, you can always upgrade to the premium plans. See here, they have the premium plans and starts from somewhere around 19 per seat. Okay. But anyway, you do not need that to get started. You can just sign up for a free trial. And once you sign up for a free trial, you will be greeted with a screen like this. So first of all, you have to download the Hypertype extension, and it's available in Chrome Store. So once you go to Chrome Store, you can click on add to Chrome button. In my case, it's already added, and you can just pin to your bar. Okay. If you want to pin an extension to your bar, like you can just click here and select. In this case, it is Hypertype, and I have already selected it, and it is already available here. And after that, all you have to do is just go to your email and just click on this button. Okay. So if you're not already signed in, it will ask you to sign in. In my case, I am already signed in, so it will show me this one. And I'll just quickly show you how to reply to an email using Hypertype. See here, this is an email that I received from one of my students. Basically, it's asking me, "Dear sir, as discussed with you, kindly informing you due to deadlines of workload I am receiving recently, I'll be able to submit my assignments a little later. Thank you for your support and guidance for the entire Kallada team, and wishing you all a very happy Diwali." So if I want to reply to this email, let me just show you how I can use Hypertype to reply to this particular email. Okay. So first of all, you'll be having various options here: interested, confident, convincing, humorous, apologetic, all these kind of things. Okay. And if you want to add any extra information, that is when replying to the email, if you want to add any extra information, you can just click on that and add the extra information here. Okay. In my case, there is no much extra information I want to add. So I'll just select the interested, and again, casual or formal, I'll choose the casual one because I want to maintain a personal touch with my students. What's this notification? Okay, let me just quickly cancel the notification. Okay. Coming back, now I'll just click on the reply button, and you can see that Hypertype is actually creating a very good email. Okay, so see here, "Dear Mrunalini, thank you for reaching out and informing us about your current situation. We completely understand that workloads can be challenging, and especially those festive times. Please don't worry about the deadlines. We appreciate your dedication and are here to support you. Feel free to submit your assignments when you can. Meanwhile, we wish you a happy and wonderful and joyous Diwali as well. Stay safe and enjoy the festivities." So wonderful email, right? A very personalized and very convincing email. And that's what Hypertype does for you. Okay? So in my case, as you can see, there is already 45 emails. Out of this, 4 I have used. Okay? And once again, just to show you again, if at all, there are some emails where you might want to add extra information. If you want Hypertype to include any particular information in your emails, just click on this add information button, and whatever is the information, give in this particular column. Okay, and then click on the generate button, and it will include whatever information you give. Okay, so I hope you found this video useful, and if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you.